Hi, today I just want to show you a quick video on how to put together the 3D cone Christmas tree from Simply Crafty SVGs. And here I've already put together 2 of them. There's 5 and they'll stack on each other. So there's 3 of one color and 2 of the other color. Or you can do them all the same color as well. It's up to you. So as you can see, they do stack. For these 2, I assembled the top one with score tape and the bottom with glue. So do be careful. It's paper I use for this particular one, so it bled right through. It was really thin paper. So I would suggest using something like a score, double-sided score tape. And the reason why is it's just a shape. It's hard to fold over because it's rounded. So you kind of want to go, just kind of carefully fold it over. Start from the top, and you're kind of just meeting the edge to the tab fold, and then carefully attaching it all the way down. As you can see, I didn't do it from top to bottom here. And if you're not really close to the edge, it's not a big deal. This tree is meant to be seen really only on one side, not a 360 view. And it's just meant to be a really quick tree to put together if you need a 3D tree for something, such as I needed in the back of my red pickup truck. So once again, I'm going to show you 3 different sizes. So this one, I folded over. You can start from the bottom, but it is easier to line up if you start from the top. Just carefully line it up. And the reason score tape's better is it catches it and holds it. But the other thing is that you could accidentally hit it at the bottom and it could attach really quick. Then I'm just using a wooden chopstick to kind of round it out and to make sure that that tab is good and adhered. So you see that's the next level there. So we only have, this is the largest part. So with cardstock, you may have to curl it a little bit, but it'll be harder with cardstock. It's different. It's more flimsy with paper. With cardstock, it just kind of pulls away from you a little bit because of the shape of the cone. That's why I don't like to do a whole lot around, because just for some people this might be a frustrating activity. And you could make a 3-tiered Christmas tree, or size it up or down, or make a 5. I mean, it's really up to you, but you could make it a 3 too. So that's what it looks like before we glue it together. So it's your option if you want to glue it together, but this is what a 3 looks like. So if you want to do a bunch of small ones, that would be one way to do it. Then if you just wanted to attach them, just add a little glue to each layer underneath that top layer. And just make sure you line up the seams in the back. And then just keep on doing that. So this is just one of those really quick things that you could add to a village. Like I said, I'm using it for the Christmas tree to sit in the back of my 3D pickup truck. I just thought it was an easy way to make. I like the look and it's easy way. And I liked embossing too. I'll show you the other tree at the end. The first one I did was use cardstock. This is paper. But I wanted you to see the look of both. And with the cardstock, I embossed it. So it gives it a little bit different look. So I just kind of apply pressure, stick my hand in there and rub it just to make sure that it adheres. So here's the other one, so you can see it's embossed. So it gives it a different look and dimension to it. If you want a really quick one, though, pattern paper would be fun. And then you can see the seams on the back. So you could just always just face that seam away from what you're looking at. So quickly, I just wanted to share this free SVG. I hope you can use it, and thank you for watching.